In this video, I will show you how to download and export NotebookLM notes. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open NotebookLM. Go to notebooklm.google.com on your browser and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then just go and access your notebook as an example. Of course, if you don't have one, you can go and create a new one. Now, you will have to look for the notes that you want to download or export. As an example, let's say this one or this one. Here, you can click on the three dots, and as you can see, you have convert to source, converts all notes to source, export to docs, or export to sheets. So you basically don't have a download option, but you do have an export option to docs or sheets. Let's say, an example, I want to export this to docs. From docs itself, we can then try to download it. So an example, just go and export your note to docs, as an example like this one. If you have any notes or any other notes, you can do that as well. As you can see, this note it contains only hi. That's why it has here only hi. And now to download it from Google Docs, you can go, as example, to File, and from here go to Download, and you can choose the downloadable file that you want. Do you want to download a Microsoft Word file, a PDF, open document format, plain text format, rich text format, web page format, EPUB publication, or Markdown? So choose the format that you want and simply hit download. As example, let's say I want to download a PDF. Here we are, we have our PDF, and it will contain the notes that we have here. Of course, this will work with any other notes that we have. And if you somehow don't want the note, you want an example, something from here, you can either copy it from here and add it as a note. You can then paste it here, or just go to your Google Docs and paste it directly here. An example, let's say how to download and export Notebook LM note. Then you can just go to file and download it, and you will be able to download and export your Notebook LM notes. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.